Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from
Waalaikumsalam.
antivirus team. We are here to present our assignment. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ahmad Firdaus.
My name is Octavianus Giovanni Nathan.
And my name is Haikal Azmi. The first is the contextual inquiry. A website. So the first that we built is a website where we sell supplies at very cheap. Because of COVID more widespread, we need some equipment to handling COVID. Doctor who wear equipment such as antivirus, clothes, where the availability of this item will be more increasingly scarce. Not to mention the need of society, such as masks and disinfectants, that is increasingly to be rare. In addition, the needs of corona patients who experience intensive care will be increasingly limited due to the increasingly full rooms in the available hospital. So the first is level of innovation that we built is our website is from the donation that we have to sold at very cheap price for from the market. So the operational costs are obtained from a donation, and we sell it to the doctors and the masyarakat. So and the end, the need for the food in the form sufficient vitamins is obligation to deal with the COVID virus, so that people who are less fortunate do not have to buy expensive vitamins on the market. And the second is creativity. Our web is to make creation where we are intermediate between the donors and the sellers, doctors, and the community. So not only the public and doctor who have the benefits, the seller will feel the benefits because of the basic ingredients we buy from that seller. So the donor who are scattered do not need to be confused where they are to donate their money. So all the velocity money in Indonesia will become more stable, which makes the value of Indonesian currency will make stronger. And the third is originality. The originality of our website. That's where we do not to prioritize our profits, but only for how to handling of COVID can be resolved. The fourth is social impacts. The impacts of our website is in form of doctors can need easily and cheaply. Sales turnover does not go down due to social distancing. Community needs can be met. If all these things are fulfilled, then the velocity of money in Indonesia will be better, and the value of rupiah will be stronger in the eyes of the world. And the fifth is technical feasibility. The technique starts with donors who wants to donate their donation. Start from the donors who want to donate, and then we use that money to buy material for doctors from seller, and we sell to doctors with a cheap price. If the donation is excessive than the next target, so we will next is to rent inpatient room for COVID patient, because that room has a limited for the patient due to increasingly large of patient. And the sixth is implementation. Patient will be carried in one city is in Surabaya. So if all the city is the needs has been fulfilled, it will continue to the next neighbor that city, like Sidoarjo and Malang. We only provide an intermediary platform between donors in the form of donors' basic ingredients in the form of seller and target to the doctor and public. Only hospital will be able to buy medical equipment, and the public can only buy the community's need in the form of masks, disinfectant, and vitamins. And the seventh is the last cost. The cost that we estimate to build all this thing is about 3.5 billion. This cost includes everything. because we have donation from the donate who want to donate the task script. So to know an intuitiveness inside antivirus website, we specify the following tasks for our user. The first is add Dettol hand sanitizer and tissue to cart. And second, open chat. The third is finish the transaction, and the last is donate. So the next is will be explained with my friend.
So before we perform the task script, there is some preliminary question here, such as how often do you use internet in the desktop browser? Do you use online marketplace to buy something? And which website do you usually go to when want to buy something? One of the user is an average PC or desktop user. She's now 18 years old and a college student. She mostly uses PC to watch a movie or YouTube. She sometimes buys stuff from online marketplace. She always buys the stuff at Tokopedia. Here is the transcript. Then here is artifact model and the flow model. The next social model. Things to do here is always create category for marketplace, so the user doesn't get confused on choosing what item should buy. And do not categorize item into only one category. The next part is described by my friend.
Okay, the next part is prototyping. I'm only use one prototype here. Every marketplace, I think, has like this template. There's a picture of the item and the price and the cart button, notification button, mail button, and there's a profile. Design rational. This is the only design that I come up with, and I see many other marketplace design like this. And by far, this is the best design that I can pick. The next thing is my prototype that our team made up. And the first thing, this prototype can buy the item. For example, I want to buy the hand sanitizer and the tissue. We just click on that picture and click add to cart. And when it's done, it's written successfully add to cart. Next one is we add the tissue to our cart and success. And we can see our chat here. Just click this icon and there is our chat with store A and store B. And we can see our cart that early we add the item. If we want to buy it, just click this button buy now. And when complete, it's writing like this, success to buy. Check the email for the receipt. And the last, and we can see the category of our item. For example, we can see the vitamin category, and we go back and see the fresh mask category is the item. And the last one is donate. In example, we donate 25,000 rupiah. Just click donate if you want to donate, and there's that success to donate. Thank you for your donation. That's the Adobe XD prototype. And the last one is usability evaluation. We use that for tasks above. We use this task script again, and we have 5 participants. From the software experiment to different people, we found out that all people success on choosing the specific product, but several people had a difficulty on opening the chat and completing transaction. That's all from our presentation. If our team had mistake, please forgive us. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.